plays those shots very well, Gaffer. All the swing in the world, but as I said, he plays very late, so he can afford to wait.
Hi friends, I am Wasim Jafar and welcome to my official YouTube channel. Last time हम लोगों ने introductory video बनाया था and this is my first episode about the World Test Championship which we can't wait for. The two best teams that has played outstanding cricket for last 2 years and deservedly come into the finals. So can't wait to talk about it. And I have got a common man who's a representative for all the sports fans, and he'll be asking me questions about anything and everything, and I'll try and answer as honestly as I can. So I would like to welcome the common man.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Wasim sir, for giving me this opportunity. It's a great honor to be a part of one of the most anticipated YouTube channels, I would say. And for me to be able to be the voice of the fans and to get to pick your brains about all things cricket, it means the world to me. And I'm sure everyone is excited to see what we have in store for them on this channel. So, मजा आने वाला है, sir. So, sir, the first question which I have is about the pitch. तो आपको क्या लगता है सर साउथहैम्पटन का पिच कैसे होगा?
2 में जब इंडियन टीम के साथ गया था तो हमारा एक साइड गेम था, हैम्पशायर काउंटी का वो होम ग्राउंड है, बट आई थिंक इट हैज चेंज्ड क्वाइट अ फ्यू टाइम्स, आई एम श्योर, क्योंकि वो ऑलमोस्ट 19 इयर्स बिफोर था, तो आई एम श्योर वो विकेट काफ़ी टाइम रिले हो गई होगी, बट आई थिंक इट्स सपोज टू बी वन ऑफ द लिटिल बिट फास्टर साइड, और थोड़ा पेस एंड बाउंस है, जितना मैंने बात की है लोगों से और जितना सुनने में आया है, एंड द क्यूरेटर आल्सो सेड दैट ही विल ट्राई एंड मेक अ पिच which has little bit of pace and bounce, and hopefully that will spin on the 4th and 5th day. So I would say that is going to be a very, very good pitch for such a important game, and thinking about the ball will spin from 4th and 5th day, Jadeja and Ashwin will be licking their lips if it happens like that. So I think all in all it will be a good pitch, and I hope it is going to be a good pitch because बहुत बार pitch को लेकर बहुत debate होता है, so I think that it is a much anticipated one कि ये pitch कैसा होगा.
आई होप आईसीसी का टूर्नामेंट है तो बैलेंस पिच हो, सबको अपना स्किल सेट दिखाने का मौका मिले. और आपने सर एक कोडेड मैसेज दिया था, आप काफी फेमस हो गए हो कोड्स के लिए और आपके मीम्स के लिए भी. तो यूट्यूब के आपके फर्स्ट वीडियो में आपने एक इंटरेस्टिंग कोडेड मैसेज दिया था, तो क्या प्लीज आप सबके लिए वो डिकोड करके बताओगे क्या था वो एग्जैक्टली?
बिल्कुल, मैंने बताया था कि हमारे बैट्समैन लोग इस तरह से खेले जिस तरह से इंडियन पुलिस पुरानी मूवीज़ में आती थी, जिसके लिए फेमस थी, और वो था कि वो हमेशा लेट पहुंचती थी. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक्चुअली कमेंट्स में, आई वाज वेरी वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत इजीली डिकोड कर दिया. आई थॉट थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट क्वाइट इम्प्रेसिव. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंग्लिश कंडीशंस में थोड़ा लेट खेलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप जितना बॉडी के पास में खेलोगे, जितना क्लोज टू योर बॉडी खेलोगे, अंडर योर आई खेलोगे, you got a better chance. So well done to everyone who's decoded it successfully.
दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली पुट सर. और क्या इम्पोर्टेंट चीज होगा सर टीम इंडिया के बारे में? कौन से बैटिंग पोजीशंस इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे टू मेक श्योर दे गेट इन अ गुड पोजीशन इन दिस गेम?
I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि almost 9 or 10 players pick themselves. Pujara at 3, Virat at 4, Ajinkya Rahane at 5, Rishabh Pant at 6. The 3 fast bowlers, उसमें से मुझे ऐसा लगता है 2 तो definitely pick themselves. Opening combination, again I would say Rohit Sharma picks himself because he's a standout player. I would personally want Shubman Gill to play because the way he batted in Australia in those tough conditions, especially as a youngster who's been playing for the first time, I was really impressed with the way he batted in the Gabba Test and even before that. So I think that is going to be a very important thing. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रोहित शर्मा, even though he has played in England, but I don't think he has opened in England, nor does Shubman Gill or even Mayank Agarwal. I don't think Mayank Agarwal has played a test match in England. So that is going to be a little bit tricky one, because I feel for any team, a batting team to do well, opening partnership बहुत important होती है to set that tone for that team. And if you had seen even in the last series in Australia and India, जब इंडिया ने खेला था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, since Rohit Sharma arrived, I think Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill gave a very solid start in almost all the test matches, even though it was 40, 50, 60, but they took the shine of the ball and they didn't expose the middle order too early. And that is very, very vital. Even in the last series that I played in England 2007 and 8, जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने series जीती, the last Indian team that won the test series in England, myself and Dinesh Karthik formed a really good partnership, and we gave a very solid start in almost all the test matches, and that is why we had that kind of success. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि the opening partnership is very, very vital. So I personally feel कि Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma, at least in the World Test Championship, those two guys will have a role to cut out to play for.
You rightly said that you and Dinesh Karthik were the foundation of our last series win there. And even we have seen Devon Conway, the way he has played, he set the game up for New Zealand. So do you think he has set a template for batsmen to follow?
Without a doubt, I feel the way Devon Conway has played, especially first time England में खेल रहे हैं, उनका debut test match था Lords में, he got double 100. Even in the second test match, he got 80 odd. I was really, really impressed with his technique, with his temperament, and that is something I feel a lot of youngsters who play and who wants to play in England. That is how you need to play. I think England में खेलने के लिए you need to have a lot of self-discipline where you leave a lot of balls. क्योंकि इंग्लैंड के अंदर there's not many bowlers who are going to bowl 90 mile an hour. There will be bowlers who will be bowling in the higher 80s or even late 70s. So they'll always pose you challenge around that off stump, around on the front foot. So you need to be very, very sure about your off stump, about the balls that you want to leave and play. So I feel I was really, really impressed the way Devon Conway has played.
अगर डेवन कॉनवे की बात की जाए या न्यूजीलैंड टॉप ऑर्डर की बात की जाए, तो आपको क्या लगता है which of our bowlers would be the one to watch out for looking at that New Zealand batting order? Would you play both? You said Ashwin and Jadeja. Would you play both of them irrespective of the conditions? Which 5 bowlers would you pick?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि the fast bowlers, especially Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami, I feel they pick themselves. They are the outstanding bowlers. And then you've got a choice of Ishant Sharma and Mohammad Siraj, who had a really good test series against Australia and Australia. But I feel somewhere Ishant Sharma needs to play because he is such an experienced bowler, and he's played in England. He had a lot of success. He got 7 for in the Lord's Test match in 2014, I remember. And he bowls really, really well to the left-handers. Even in the practice game, he bowled well and he picked wickets. And he posed a lot of troubles to the left-handers. Or New Zealand ke top order mein, there are few left-handers, and experience definitely counts a lot in those conditions, in those tough moments. Even though Siraj, on his recent form, you will be tempted to play him, but I feel Ishant Sharma needs to pick ahead because somebody who's played 100 odd test matches, you can't bench him at the start. I would definitely think about playing 2 spinners because we have the liberty of both our spinners can bat. So number 7 as a batsman, Ravindra Jadeja would come at 7, Ashwin will come at number 8, and both of them have got test 100s. So you have got that liberty of playing 2 left-arm spinner and an off spinner. And the 4th and 5th day, as the curator has said, and in any conditions, I feel 4th and 5th day the ball spins, and there these 2 guys will come in handy definitely. So, and knowing Ravi Shastri, knowing Virat Kohli, they are they always go with an aggressive mindset. They always go with the thinking of winning the test match. So I'm sure they'll play 5 bowlers, and I'm sure that is how we need to go. Because as I said last time, both of our spinners can bat and contribute with the lower order.
Yes, sir. Very well put. So, sir, आपका playing 11 क्या होगा? I know the 5 bowlers now. So, I know the guys pick themselves, but could you please just tell us?
Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill, for me, they would open. Pujara, Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant at number 6, Ravindra Jadeja at 7, Ashwin at 8, Ishant, Bumrah, and Mohammad Shami. That will be the 11. I would be tempted to play.
I think it speaks about the kind of bench strength this Indian team has, that the likes of Mayank Agrawal, Hanuma Vihari, and Mohammad Siraj can't even get a game right now. They find it difficult to get in the 11. So I think that's a really good problem to have for the Indian team. एंड एक चीज सर, जब भी न्यूजीलैंड के सामने मैच होता है, स्पेशली आईसीसी इवेंट्स में, इंडियन फैंस गेट स्कैर्ड। एंड 2003 के बाद हमने न्यूजीलैंड को आईसीसी इवेंट्स में हराया नहीं है। आपको क्या लगता है, कुछ नुस्खा बताओ सर, क्या तोड़ है इस न्यूजीलैंड टीम का जो इंडियन टीम कर सके?
जैसे मैंने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बोला था कि जब आप 2.5 years क्रिकेट खेलने के बाद एक चैंपियनशिप के फाइनल में आते हो तो यू डिजर्व टू बी देयर, और आपने बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली होगी तभी आप वहां पे पहुंचते हो। एंड दे बीटन वेस्ट इंडीज, दे बीटन पाकिस्तान, दे व्हाइट वॉश्ड इंडिया, एंड इवन इन इंग्लैंड नाउ ऑलमोस्ट दोनों टेस्ट मैचेस में दे हैव डोमिनेटेड द इंग्लैंड टीम। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट दे हैव बेंच्ड देयर प्लेयर्स आल्सो। सऊदी ने एक मैच नहीं खेला, विलियमसन वाज इंजर्ड, जेमिसन को उन्होंने रेस्ट दिया था। सो दैट स्पीक्स अबाउट देयर बेंच स्ट्रेंथ आल्सो, कि उन्होंने भी काफी प्लेयर्स को खिलाया। मिचेल सैंटनर को एक टेस्ट मैच खिलाया, उसके बाद इजाज पटेल को दे ब्रॉट इन। So they have also used their bench strength in those 2 test matches, or in spite of that, they have dominated both the test matches and went on to win a series after 2000, maybe 1999 के बाद शायद उन्होंने पहली बार इंग्लैंड में टेस्ट सीरीज जीती है। So that speaks, volume about the quality of their team. But एक पैटर्न थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि न्यूजीलैंड के बारे में, looking at their stats in few years, they have not come back from behind and won a test match. They've always won test matches when they have dominated, or they have been an equal team, जहां पर उन्होंने बिल्कुल गेम के साथ में चल रहे हैं। But they've not won a test match I can remember जहां पर वो पीछे से आकर, like how Indian team have won in Australia, ये पीछे से आकर, or even against England they lost the first test match, Indian team, and they went ahead and won 3-1 that series. So I have not seen that pattern with New Zealand. So if Indian team can put them under pressure straight away, then I think we have got a good chance, to win this test championship.
You are right. We haven't seen New Zealand coming from behind and actually winning when they are like 100 runs behind or something like that. So I'm sure Indian team will take note of this. So thank you so much, sir, for inviting a common man on a Wednesday. I hope we do this on some other days too in the future. And it was a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you very much, the common man of a lot of cricket fans. Please, all the other guys, please, जो भी आपको लगता है, any questions that you have for me, और कुछ आपको लगता है तो please इसके ऊपर comment करें, and hopefully we will come back with the next episode with those points. So till then, everyone take care, stay safe, and hopefully जल्दी मिलेंगे।